Hey guys, I'm going to have a review about the tools that I bought at Lazada for 1,655 pesos. So let's check it out. So I'm going to open. There's a styrofoam. You don't want to lose this because it helps to make the parts in place. So first we have a socket wrench, one off. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18 one of socket wrench. See, there's a from 10 to up to 30 pieces. And we also have a 13 1/4 inch socket wrench. Starts to 4 up to 14. So look closely. Looks good, solid, and I think it is good. And it's a combinational wrench, 12 pieces from 8 to 19. What about I like this because it doesn't skip from 8 to 19. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Chromium looks quality is good, and we have a 3 hex keys, small. Here we have the hex here. 3 hex keys, 2 1/2 inch spark plug socket. So we have a 21 millimeter socket wrench and a 16 millimeter socket wrench. So it is a 1/2 drive. Use this. You have two 1/2 extension bars here. It's a sort long for a 1/2 drive. See it? We have also a small extension bar, 1/2 drive. And we have a 2 ratchet wrench, 1/2 drive. It's solid, sturdy. We have the 1/2 drive and the 1/4 drive, small one. You have universal joint, a universal joint for 1/2 drive and for 1/4 drive. Then there's a 1/4 flexible extension bar. So here is also an extension bar, but it's flexible for 1/2 drive, 1/4 drive. And a 1/4 inch spinner handle. It is a spinner handle. Also you can place a extension here. You want to drive it, and so you have extensions, long extensions. So hard to reach areas. And one toolbox, and that's all. For me, this is a good quality product for an affordable price, and box looks solid. And you don't want to lose this because this helps the tools in place, hold the tools in place. If you want to buy this, please click the description below, the link description below. And it's a lock. It's a good